So, with iOS 19's first beta still a few months away, leaks and speculation about Apple's next major update are already circulating. Back in January, Front Page Tech revealed an alleged redesign of the camera app, reportedly slated for iOS 19. According to host Jon Prosser, the app will introduce a larger viewfinder, translucent buttons, and streamlined menus, taking design cues from Vision OS, the software running Apple's Vision Pro headset. Shortly after, Bloomberg's Mark Gurman reported that this visual revamp won't be limited to the camera app. Instead, Apple is expected to extend the Vision OS-inspired transparency effects across iOS, affecting built-in apps, notifications, and interface elements. Gurman described iOS 19 as the most significant UI overhaul since iOS 7, with similar updates also expected for iPadOS 19 and macOS 16. Beyond aesthetics, Apple is refining Siri with enhanced intelligence. This update aims to improve Siri's contextual awareness, app-specific controls, and ability to process on-screen content. In a demo during WWDC 2024, Apple showcased Siri pulling flight details and restaurant reservations from messages and mail. While some of these AI-driven features may launch with iOS 19, they're more likely to arrive later, potentially in iOS 19.4. Another major addition expected in iOS 19 is real-time translation for select AirPods models via a firmware update. Gurman claims this feature will allow users to hear translations of foreign languages directly in their AirPods, while their own responses are translated and played aloud via their iPhone, a functionality similar to Google's Live Translate. Apple's Translate app is also expected to see improvements in this update. On the messaging front, Apple has confirmed that RCS messaging with end-to-end encryption will be introduced in an upcoming iOS, iPadOS, macOS, and watchOS update, most likely as part of iOS 19. This suggests Apple is shifting to the RCS Universal Profile 3.0 standard, which incorporates several iMessage-style enhancements. Apple is expected to unveil the first iOS 19 beta right after its WWDC 2025 keynote in June, with a public release likely in September. So what are your thoughts on the upcoming iOS 19? Share your opinions in the comments below. And as always, I'll catch you in my next video.